How to download images in Figma. Download your designs as images. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. For today's video, we will be talking about Figma, and I'm going to show you how you could download your design as an image. The first thing first, we're going to create our very simple design. We're going to do random designs for the meantime. Just going to put designs for our page. That doesn't really matter what design. I'm just going to simulate what it would look like and how we would be able to download specific image for our design. So I'm going to put a design over here, just like that. We're going to change the font color to whatever design that we would like that. And we could add our text over here, random design test 1. That could drag this in the middle. We could change our font design over here, whatever design that we would choose, just like that. And then we could enlarging it like that. And you could also add a photo over here if you would like. We're going to add our photo over here. We're simply going to drag it into our page just like that. Now this is just a very random design that we're going to use as a sample to show you how you could download your design to your computer. Now after creating your design, you're simply going to select all of this, create a component, and as you can see, these are all grouped now. So over here below on the bottom right, you have export. You're simply going to click on add, and you would be able to export the component one, which is all of this, into a PNG. I'm going to click this, and as you can see, we are downloading the component, and we're going to check it out. And just like that, we were able to download our design as an image. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.